YouTube that will be showing you how to clean your disc. All you need is some soft soap, edge, any kind of shaving gel, deodorant, mouthwash, and any kind of hairspray. So here we go. First, what you want to do, take the soap, she'll collect that after. Then what you want to do is keep that. Oh, don't keep that on there. Wash that off. Once you do that, you need to simply, let me take this extra so there's no point of government. Lay them over there. So you need to simply pull that out. Shake it off. And that's pretty much it, guys. Once you do that, lay it down. Wipe that off like that, guys. You don't want to lay it back in the sink because you don't want to get it dirty. Then what you need to do is take the gel here and squirt 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like that. And you need to connect them all like this. Can't really do that like that. Connect them all like this. Start from here. Right, start from here. Go to here. Flip it over. Go to here. Flip it over. Go to here. Flip it again. And go to here. To do that, you should have sort of a square sideways with the normal. Once you do that, you need to simply let the air sink in, then wipe all the way around the disc. I'm going to pause it and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. That's what it should look like when you wrap it on. And after this, you just want to simply take the, oh, see that has crap on it. Had to wipe it off there. And open it. Take it and spray it around. Quick. Like that. Kind of crisp, okay. If you do that, simply set it down. And lift up. Shake it. You shouldn't have some of this. It's what we were talking about for the last video you're trying to make. So once you do this, wipe it off in the water. You know, it's looking very shiny in here. Okay, wipe my hand off. And now, shiny. And next, the final thing you want to do. Hold a sec. What did I say you needed? You need that. You only need that. You don't need the deodorant because that makes it mess up. So, open it like this. bottle cap over here. Take it and spread it around. Simply like this. That's empty. I'm going to simply now, go, and then you have that. Simply put that on there. That's it. Let it run through. And then that's all about 30 seconds. There you go. Chill it on for 30 seconds. Yes, it looks pretty shiny. Shake the water off. And you're done, guys. Take it back to your Xbox. Put it in. I'll see you when I'm there. Alright guys, here's the disc. You can still tell it is the same disc. You can see the soap inside of the grease. Has the same ring around it. Same shine to it. So, put this in, show you what's up. And it is Red Dead Redemption Undead Nightmare. So don't get all spazzy with me. Here we go. Closing, reading. Reading. And I'm going to show you it works fully. Don't worry. Reading. Play game, guys. It says play game. Let me turn off the light so that shot's not in the game all the time. Here we go. Oh, can't show that. Copyright. Here we go. There we go, guys. It does work. Now. Here we go. It works perfectly. Here we go. It says press start. Just so you guys know it won't freeze up. Keep it on there. It says Red Dead Redemption right there. Get this cat down. Get down. Get down. God. Stay down. Jesus Christ. Like, really? I push you down once, you need to stay down. God. Alright, so multiplayer, normal, message. Multiple multiplayer save games were found. Please select which device you would like to choose. Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna pick hard drive because that's what I have my save on. So here we go. Just going to want to load this up here. Get out of the chair, cat. Really? God. Alright, so it's loading up, guys. And yes, it will put you in multiplayer if you've ever played any game. This works on any ps3, ps2, Xbox 360, PlayStation 4, Xbox One. It doesn't matter. It works, guys. See, there we go. Load it up. There's a guy right over there. Severity.
Somebody wants you and their
This guy wants me to join his posse. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and peace.